What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another Driving Through Jamaica. You know, it's yours truly 876 by birth, and you know you can follow me on all the socials, alright? Guys, we also have an Instagram page for this channel, right? It's called Driving Through Jamaica. So you can search for us on Instagram and you can follow the page as well. Also, guys, we have a chat group. Guys, we have a chat group, alright? Now, guys, here's a problem. There's only one person in the chat group, and it's only me. Alright? So here's the thing. The chat group is over on Telegram. Now, Telegram is a messaging app, just like WhatsApp, guys. Alright? The thing is, on Telegram, you're allowed to, you can communicate without sharing your phone number unless you want to share your phone number. Alright? So, guys, you can feel free to join the chat group, okay? And, hold on, somebody's coming. Oh, a female just passed. Sorry about that, guys. But, yeah, alright. Now, yeah, back to the chat group. Yeah, she looks beautiful. Trust me, she looks beautiful. Alright, back to the chat group now. Alright, so you can join our community over there. Guys, my vision for the chat group is just to build a little family, like a little community over there where we can just talk about stuff, you know what I mean? And probably get to know each other, you know what I mean? Share stuff, if it's even like how your day went and all that stuff. As I said, my vision is just to build a little community over there. Now, guys, the link for the chat group is always in the description, all right? It's in the description of every video, or it's gonna be in the description for this video. So if you're on your phone or whatever, you know, you can just click the link and it will take you over to Telegram. If you have not downloaded it yet, I guess it will take you to your app store or take you to the Google Play Store, whatever device you're on. It will take you to that store where you can download it, all right? And once you download it, you set it up. There's a bike passing. Guys, I don't like bikes. If I was the Prime Minister for this country, there'd be no bikes. So for the people who did delivery work and bearers, trust me, you'd have to drive cars. I'm telling you. I know I sound ridiculous right now, but guys, I don't like bikes, all right? Especially those small, they're called yang yang. Me not like them. Anyways, now guys, just join the Telegram chat group, all right? Let's just have a conversation and stuff. You know what I mean? Let's just get to know each other and stuff, all right? I think I'm talking way too much now. But anyways, today's journey will take us from Old Harbour to Gutters. So Old Harbour in St. Catherine to Gutters in St. Catherine. It's not a long drive, guys. It's really a really short drive, I must say. Just a quick little run, you know, so you can get to see that little stretch right there. So yeah, that's our journey for today, all right? Now, you see, right now, guys, as you know, this is a fairly new channel, a very young channel, all right? Right now I have 9 subscribers, guys, right? And I'm getting a few views, which I appreciate. So if you view the video, if you watch the video and you are not a subscriber of my channel, I'm just gonna ask you to just click that subscribe link. At the end of the videos, there's always a link on the left hand side of the screen. You can click on that and subscribe. There's also a way, you guys, come on, I know you know YouTube, right? You know how to subscribe, you know what to do, so do the right thing, all right? So guys, I have 9 subscribers, and I just want to say I appreciate the 9 of you guys. I really do appreciate you so much. I thank you for your support. I thank you for the persons. Hey, I have a subscriber called Eugene Bryan. I tell you about that guy, you know. Always liking my videos, always leaving a comment. Big up yourself, Eugene. I hope I get a few more subscribers like you. I really appreciate you very much, and I appreciate all my other subscribers very, 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 very much. And I'm excited about that other person who's gonna take me into double digits. Yeah, because 1 more subscriber, then I'll be at 10. So, oh my God, I've been talking for like 4 minutes. Now, I appreciate you very much, and I'm excited about that other 1 person who's gonna bring me to double digits, all right? So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and as I said, once you watch the video, go ahead and leave a comment. You can just say hi, hello, leave an emoji, whatever is on your mind, whatever you don't like about the video, whatever you like about it. If you have any criticism, anything, if there's somewhere that you want to see me go to, guys, just comment. I'll definitely respond to you, all right? I don't bite, guys, all right? And I'm very friendly and very much approachable, okay? So just leave your comment and stuff. And I've been talking for almost 5 minutes right now. So guess what? There's another bike. There's another bike. Oh my God. Guess what, guys? We're gonna go to the video. As I said, we're in St. Catherine, Old Harbour to Gutters in St. Catharines. So let's go and take a look on the streets and see what's happening, all right? And I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, we're about 30 seconds outside of Gutters. If you've watched the video up until this point, then I want to say thank you so much for your support. Also guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that link on the left hand side of your screen to become a subscriber, alright? And until our next journey through Jamaica, be safe.